Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and connectivity so you avoid wasted steps. Once physical connections are confirmed, set your laptop to 192, 168, 1, 2/24 and point the browser to 192, 168, 199. Log in with the default admin credentials, then immediately change the password to a strong value. This prevents unauthorized access. While still in the initial setup wizard, set the management IP and time zone so logs and certificates align. Make sure to save the configuration before continuing. Next, you configure interfaces and basic routing to move traffic. Begin by assigning the WAN interface an IP or DHCP per your ISP, and set the gateway so external reachability works. Then assign the internal LAN IP and enable the Fortigate DHCP server if you want automatic addressing for clients. Create a default static route to the WAN gateway and enable NAT on the outbound policy. This lets internal hosts access the internet. Once done, test connectivity from a client. Finally, you lock down traffic with policies and security profiles so your network stays protected. Create a LAN to WAN firewall policy allowing required services, attach antivirus, web filtering, and SSL inspection profiles as needed, and position rules from specific to general. Configure DNS and restrict administrative access to trusted IPs, then save and back up the configuration. If something fails, check logs and real-time sessions, run ping and traceroute, and verify policy order and interface assignments to quickly pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.